is a heavy turn. Okay, careful. Be careful.
Break it. Done. Done. Done.
Hey.
Done.
Okay. Okay, now you're done. Henry.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Your nói your mouth ex. Mean your mouth exercise. Mean your mouth exercise.
How do you do lung exercise?
Yeah. That's mean your mouth exercise.
Can I try now, Rachel?
This is mean your mouth exercise. Whoa. This guy is tough.
I cannot do it.
Whoa, nói cho nên nói mouth exercise. Oh, this one is another mouth exercise here. Oh, mouth exercise. Hey, let Pen do it.